June 25 has been a blot on the Indian democracy since 1975. Now, this was the day when the former Prime Minister Indira Gandhi imposed a state of emergency across the country for 19 months. A dark phase when the vibrant democracy was not only stifled but murdered. But yesterday, the centre took the constitution fight to the next level by announcing that June 25th every year will be marked at Samvidhan Hatya Divas, a direct and a big strike on Congress, and notifying the decision. In fact, Union Home Minister Amit Shah asserted that the former Prime Minister Indira Gandhi, in a brazen display of dictatorial mindset, in fact strangled the soul of Bharat's democracy. PM Modi also said that observing June 25th at Samvidhan Hatya Divas will remind, in fact, the citizens of what happened when the constitution was trampled upon. Now, this move comes precisely 16 days after Lok Sabha Speaker read out a resolution in Parliament blaming Congress for suppressing the rights of people and attacking the principle of democracy. Now, the decision has ruffled the feathers of the opposition parties. Leading the charge against the centre, the Congress has called June 25th move as another headline-grabbing exercise. It also went on to say that the country has been in an undeclared emergency since the NDA government came into power. Now, listen in to the reactions.
4 जून को देश ने मोदी मुक्ति दिवस का नोटिफिकेशन कर दिया है, इसलिए परेशान होकर के ये सरकार इस तरह की नोटिफिकेशन कर रही है।
शहीद दिवस 30 जनवरी हमारे बापू की हत्या हुई थी, उसको कहिए गांधी हत्या दिवस।
2014 से हर दिन भाजपा ने संविधान की हत्या की है। आपने हाल ही में देखा होगा चंडीगढ़ मेयर इलेक्शन, जहां पर अनिल मसीह कैमरा पर संविधान की हत्या भाजपा के इशारे पे करते पाए गए।
वो जो चैप्टर थे वो इतिहास का एक पन्ना था, और इतने बरस बाद भाजपा खुद को वो उनका जो एंटी पीपल पॉलिसीज है, डिजास्टर्स है, उसका जो बुरा हाल है देश का, उससे नजर घुमाने के लिए ये पुराना कार्ड वो खेलने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं।
गड़े मुर्दों को उखाड़ रही है। गड़े मुर्दों को अगर उखाड़ना हो तो भाजपा का वो इतिहास, आरएसएस का वो इतिहास भी देख लीजिए।
इमरजेंसी चाहे वो घोषित हो या अघोषित हो, दोनों ही लोकतंत्र के लिए सही नहीं है, दोनों ही लोकतंत्र को कहीं ना कहीं कमजोर करते हैं। अगर कांग्रेस को 25 जून 1975 के लिए इमरजेंसी के लिए माफ नहीं किया जा सकता, तो वर्तमान हालात के लिए भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार को भी माफ नहीं किया जा सकता।
Now, as far as BJP is concerned, the party has said that marking Samvidhan Hatya Divas will ensure that the Congress party will never be allowed to crush the constitution again. Watch this.
25 जून रात को 1975 में जब हमारे संविधान की हत्या की गई थी, वो कभी भी हम नहीं भूल सकते हैं। हमको एक एग्जाम्पल सेट करना है कि भविष्य में कांग्रेस पार्टी ने जैसे संविधान की हत्या की, ऐसा कभी दोबारा ना हो।
गणतंत्र को, डेमोक्रेसी को हत्या करने की खून से लाल हुआ है। इस देश की जनता इसको भूलना नहीं चाहिए। कांग्रेस पार्टी कितने बड़ा गुनाह किया है, देश की भविष्य की पीढ़ी उसको ना भूले, इसीलिए संविधान हत्या दिवस मनाया जाएगा।
My colleague Sabyasachi joins us on the phone line. Sabyasachi, on one hand, Congress party is saying that this is a bit to divert attention. This is a headline-grabbing exercise. BJP is saying that this day will be observed to remind the Congress to never insult the Constitution. Again, do take us through the war of words.
Absolutely. See, the war of words has broke out after BJP has made this big announcement. See, from the BJP side, it has been very much clear that Samvidhan Hatya Divas will be a reminder for the future generation. In fact, how the Congress party had put forth the emergency pack in 1975 and how several lakhs of people were put behind bars without any reason. The voices of the journalists were put down. So these were some of the facts which the BJP has been raising. Now the Congress says that the BJP in the last 10 years, in fact, has been putting emergency every single day. And it is under the BJP rule that the constitution is under threat. See, the war over constitution is going on heavily between the BJP and the Congress. We have seen that the Congress putting allegation on the BJP that if the BJP would come in power, they would change the constitution, they would finish the reservation quota. These particular allegations has been completely denied by the BJP, but on the other hand, the Congress has been saying that it is the BJP government under whom the constitution is under threat, and the BJP rule in the last 10 years has seen emergency every single day.